Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today's reading is about karmic or soul lessons which you are learning or going through in your life. This reading is from 19th of April to 30th of April. So let's see what cards have for you. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more personal and accurate readings, you can reach out to me. So the first lesson or the first situation is what is the situation around you or what lesson you are learning right now or you might be going through right now. Okay, so the energy what I see here is being stuck or feeling stuck in a chaotic situation where everybody is trying to pull other person down, or there may be so much of ego clash happening. Okay, it can be majorly I am seeing with the family members or maybe with your colleagues. Okay, it can be your closed circle also. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. So much of ego clash is happening, or you might be in a situation where you are being defensive, and in being defensive mode you might also be trying to put the other person down. Okay, so that also is the energy which I feel. So this is basically the situation you might be stuck right now or dealing with it for quite some time. Okay, now let's see what is the where in which area of your life you are being tested. So as I said right here, it can the situation is basically around your closed ones, family or the colleagues. So that's what I think here. The mainly now I have the clarity, it can be me more for most of you, it can be with the family members. So if that is the case, then you need to see how you can keep yourself away from this chaotic situation. Instead of getting into the ego clash, just try to be silent, try to try to not indulge in the unnecessary fights or the arguments, and keep your energy intact and safe. Okay, so see, once you are in that ego clash, after a point of time it's just a realization that it was not necessary, right? So just try to work on your energy, and this is the major area where I think you are being tested right now. So okay, it's a family thing where you might be having difficulty in managing or maintaining your relations with peace, and it can also be in your career. Maybe you are having a not so good bond with your colleagues. Okay, so that is also one of the situation I see is happening with you. Now what is the guidance, what is the guidance from your higher self, or what is the divine guidance for you to deal with the situation is about creating balance. Okay, so see, in the family there can be sometimes you may not be emotionally available, and that is why this issue is happening. It can also be like the complete responsibility of the family is on you, and that is why you are feeling frustrated, and all that is happening, right? So if that is the case, then you need to see how you can create balance. Okay, it can be if you are not emotionally available, try to take some time out for your family. And it's if it is about the material responsibilities or the financial responsibilities you are having, try to create a balance for that as well. Maybe you need to balance on your income and expenses, or your savings and investments. Okay, so just try to see where exactly you need to create balance and try to work on it. Okay, that's the guidance from your higher self. Okay, now let's see how you can overcome this issue. See, as I said, create balance, be like a magician. Okay, so how the magician works are, once the magician is in front of us, we forget everything, right? Everybody forgets their pain, everybody forgets their issues. Maybe it's for quite some time, but everybody does, right? Everybody's focus is on what magician is doing, and magician, by playing some different funny tricks, makes everybody laugh, right? So I'm not saying to play some tricks, all I'm saying is try to be a magician, like have the energy of a magician, try to make others feel good. Okay, you need to feel good about yourself as well. Okay, so that's the guidance for you on how you can overcome this situation and move forward with grace, and solving all that what is you're going through. So that's a karmic or the soul lesson you might be going through right now. So as I said, this is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.